Hi everybody! In this video we're going to be going through the notes for lesson 2.10, which is the last lesson of unit 2. Today we are going to learn about vertical and horizontal lines. As a reminder, a vertical line is a line that goes perfectly straight up and down. The slope of a vertical line is undefined. When we write the equation of a vertical line, there is only one variable in the equation. There's no two variables like a y and an x. The equation of a vertical line is just going to be x equals, and then you're going to put the number that the x crosses on the graph. There's no y in this equation. And the graph would look something like this. On your graph paper, your line would be vertical somewhere. Now, horizontal lines, we've already learned about, are lines that go straight left and right. Their slope is 0. The equation for a horizontal line is only going to have one variable. It doesn't have an x and a y, it just has one variable, which is y. Your equation is going to be y equals some number. The graph of a horizontal line is going to look like this. So here we go. In problem number 1, I'm going to ask you to graph these lines. Now right away, I know something weird is going on here because my equation only has one number. So I'm going to look back at my notes. Equations that just have an x are going to be vertical lines. So I know this is going to be a vertical line, and the x that it should cross is the number 3 on the x-axis. Once I find that 3, I'm just going to draw my vertical line, and I'm done. My slope would be undefined. In problem number 2, I know something weird is going on because the equation only has a y. So looking back at my notes, I know that when there's only a y, it's a horizontal line. So I'm going to go to where the y is 3 on the graph. Remember, this is the y-axis, and I'm going to draw a horizontal line. The slope is 0. Problem number 3, I see the x. X tells me it's going to be a vertical line. So I'm going to find the -4 on the x-axis, and I'm going to draw a line that goes straight up and down. The slope is undefined. And for the last example, I see there's only a y in the equation. That tells me it's going to be a horizontal line. I'm going to find the -4 on the y-axis and draw a horizontal line. The slope is 0. That's it. Now, I might also give you the graph and ask you for the equation. So as soon as I see that this is a horizontal line, I know that my equation is going to start with y equals. What number does y equal? Well, the number 2 is the only number I cross on the y-axis. And the slope is 0. For problem number 6, it's a vertical line, so I know my equation is going to start with x equals. The only x that I cross is -2, so my slope is undefined. For problem number 7, it's a horizontal line, so I know my equation is going to start with y equals. The only y that I cross through is -5, and my slope is 0. And for problem number 8, I see that it's a vertical line, so the equation starts with x equals. The only x that I cross through is 1, and my slope is undefined. That's it. That's the whole lesson. You just need to know that x's being equal to a number goes with vertical lines, and y's being equal to a number goes with horizontal lines. That's the end. Take a second and then start your practice.